In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove blank or empty cells in Microsoft Excel. This is a handy skill to have when you're dealing with data that has missing information scattered throughout, and you want to clean it up for improved readability and analysis. So let's dive right in. As you look at the Excel sheet in front of you, you'll see we have a data set with several empty cells scattered among the values. Our goal today is to get rid of these blanks efficiently. Removing these empty cells will help in organizing the data and improving the overall presentation. Sound good? Let's get started. The first thing you'll want to do is head over to the ribbon at the top of your Excel window. Once there, look for the option labeled Find and Select. It's usually nestled towards the far right side of the Home tab. Click on the drop-down arrow next to it. This will reveal a menu with several options. From this menu, select Go to Special. If you're not familiar with it, this tool allows you to quickly select specific types of cells based on their content or formatting. Once you've clicked Go to Special, a dialog box will appear. This is where you'll specify the type of cells you want to select. For our purpose today, click on Blanks and then hit OK. With that simple step, you've just highlighted all the empty cells within your dataset. You'll see them stand out on your screen, marked and ready for the next action. Now that we have all our blank cells highlighted, the next step is to remove them. To do this, just right-click on any one of the highlighted empty cells. A context menu will pop up, providing you with several options. From these options, select Delete. When you choose Delete, another box will appear, asking you how you'd like to adjust the surrounding cells. Here, you should select Shift Cells Up. This option will effectively remove the empty cells while shifting the remaining data up to fill in the gaps. Once you've made your selection, click OK. As soon as you've completed this, take a look at your spreadsheet. You'll notice that all of those pesky blank cells are now gone. The remaining data has moved up neatly, giving your dataset a cleaner and more organized appearance. This not only improves the look, but enhances the functionality as you move forward with your data analysis. And that's it. You've successfully removed blank cells from your data in Excel. Thank you for joining me in this quick tutorial. If you found it helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, drop a comment if you have any questions or feedback, share this video with others who might benefit from it, and of course, subscribe for more Excel tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.